Hello, this is Academic Tutors USA. I'm Professor Juliet, and today we are going to talk about farm animals. Animals that live in a farm. Turkey, hen, rooster, goose, cow, cat, rabbit, chick, ox, duck, duckling, duck, goat, sheep, lamb, horse, kid, poult, and calf. How do we describe animals? Such adjectives like colors and size. For example, the mouse is little. The ladybug is tiny. The dog is long. The cow is big. The pig is fat. The dinosaur is gigantic. The elephant is huge. And the giraffe is large. And also we describe the colors. For example, the cow is black and white. The pig is pink. The giraffe is brown and yellow. The ladybug is red and black.